All right, Randy here, Randy Repairs It. We're back on this Makita DDF482. If you recall, I took it apart and determined that this armature has been burned up. The new one has arrived, and you can clearly see the difference in the coloring. This one was smoking, it smelled, it was getting really hot. So we're gonna put a new armature in and see if it fixes it. Get that out of the way. So, all right, on your magnet, you got to make sure that this little lip is going toward the front of the drill. There's a little recess that will help it, fit correctly in here. All right, so we're gonna pop this in. Oh, wrong way. Do it correctly here. Okay, we'll pop it in here and go to the back of the brushes here. We're gonna make sure that's seated in there properly, and it is. Okay, this little clip here is a ground, I believe, and should go like right in here. Okay, maybe like that. We'll see. If it doesn't run, I'll take it back apart. The brush is in. I didn't put new brushes in there because these brushes are pretty good. They're in pretty good shape. Seem to be anyway. All right, there's that. Now then. So we're going to put this is a change lever, so it's got to go at the top, obviously. And just got to get this to fit back in. There it goes. A little wiggle wiggle. All right, let's get the change lever. I think the DeWalt has a better change lever for working anyway, for being able to work on it. Okay, now then, let's see how she goes in. All right, looks good. All right. So that's the speed lever, actually. The change lever's here, and we got to get it in. We don't want to forget that. I've done that. All right. Pop this on, make sure it's going to fit together correctly. Should go back together pretty easily, which it does. And get a couple of screws started and we'll test it out. That's the tool belt holder. Okay, you're gonna pop this cover on here. And we should be good to go. And we're not, because I probably didn't put the brushes back in. It happens. Yep, yeah, okay, hang on. Not the end of the world. There we go. Now it should work. Hey, nothing wrong with that. Makita DDF482. Look for it on eBay. Thanks for watching.